Virgin Galactic at $75, wish or nightmare? All about that and how we get there and why you should listen to the very end of this vlog. Well, stay tuned, let's go. Alright. Let's talk about what to expect. First of all, the test flight will be starting, or the window to do the test flight will be starting on the 12th. So it could be the 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, until the end of the month. We have enough time to do this test flight, okay? There's weather, there's technical things, and there's also safety. All of this considered, the 12th is a very flexible date, but I hope, as sooner as we have this test flight, as better for us, right? And I hope that, the test flight could be maybe in those trading hours, then we see directly the great, success of the stock going higher. And why I'm thinking the stock can go to $75 is, pretty easy. I'm not a person that looks into too much technical things. I just try to think simple, logical, and then I just straightforward, okay? So the last time when we did the test flight, the stock actually went up. And then after the unsuccessful test flight, the stock went down 25%. So think about it. Even when the stock goes up in the next couple of days by amount of, let's say, $5 to $10, then we still would have approximately the same gain of money or percentage-wise that we had of the last or prior to the last test flight. And then I believe the things can turn that we have the same or a similar movement that we had after the abort of the last test flight to the other direction, okay? So, but we will dive into that a little bit later. I want to also announce I will be streaming live. I cannot do that on YouTube right now because I have a copyright strike and so on, and I will be back, and I cannot wait, guys, live on the 12th or the 12th March onwards, obviously, and you will be there with me, and I can just not wait, guys, okay? I love to be live with you guys, the live reactions and everything. So let's talk about where I will do that. I will create the Twitch account, and or I have already one, I don't know, I have to check that. However, I will go on Twitch live. I will post it on Instagram, on Twitter, so make sure to follow me on the text below. And also make sure, if you want to get to the Virgin Galactic Discord chat that we have, and we talk 24 hours where I'm posting which options, which stocks, when I bought stocks. I just recently again purchased like $4,000 of Virgin Galactic stocks just like that, because I like the price, I like the movement at $60, right? And I don't care if the price was too much, too less, because I'm thinking long term. So that's why this is the most important secret out there, guys, and you will learn it on the x10masterclass.com if you want to have a great online course about stocks, about the 10x stocks that we are specialized here on this channel. Check it out. You will learn so much. You will get lifetime access to the Discord with the Virgin Galactic investors, 24 hours stock chat as well. So it's just unbelievable, valuable, and 10% off with 10 space, the discount code, just for a couple of days. So make sure to get yours, and let's now dive into the stock. So what actually Space Stock did at the last test flight? Well, the stock, when it was announced that the next test flight is happening, went up, about 40%. I mean, to be fair, we had pretty low pricing on the Virgin Galactic stock at about 20, 22. But then obviously the thing happened what had to happen, right, with the abort test flight. And you can see here a steep dive of about 25%. So I believe we, with the Virgin Galactic stock currently still benefiting from the news on Monday that actually gave us a little push, right? I mean, we gained just about 12 or 20% since the announcement. So it's not like we got already the 40% that we did the last time. So it's not like, you know, history repeats itself, but you can learn from it, right? So there's definitely patterns. But on the other side, you know, you have to, you know, be fair here and see how much we actually gained since January. Since 1 month, we gained 126%. This is absolutely insane, okay? This is absolutely insane. I never thought that will happen already in this short of time. And this is because of Wall Street bets, this is because of the general market environment, and this is obviously about the news as well. So you can see here that we are currently tapping about the 13 billion dollar mark in valuation, which, you know, if you're thinking about the Mach 3 airplane industry, the space tourism, and a monopoly, a great brand, a great team, it's not that expensive, guys, okay? I believe that the company is more worth than that. They have more than $2-3 billion worth of interesting people that want to go into space, the suborbit of our planet Earth, where you get, you know, microgravity, which is an experience by itself, like mind-blowing, and much more, okay? You will go to the spaceport, you will stay there a couple of days, you will see maybe celebrities, maybe you can even fly with celebrities, and I believe that the ticket price will actually be, you know, $1 million or up to $1 million for the first couple of flights. So I'm super excited, I'm super pumped. I want to see the first people going up in just a couple of weeks time. And the second test flight will be even more important, guys, because this will be a full rehearsal with a crew of 4 people that will simulate, you know, guests on the spaceship, and this will be so great to see. Obviously, again, just a disclaimer, guys, this is a very volatile stock. If something, you know, aboard, it don't have to be the fatal thing, right? I mean, this is something else, but you can see here that with every positive thing here, the stock can gain and gain and gain for a couple of weeks, like it did here, right? So you can see here that the potential is great. We just need a successful test flight to get to the next level, and then maybe the 12 or 13 billion dollar company will be then a 14, 15, 16, 20 billion dollar company, because the story is there, and I talked about it on Saturday. So check out this Chamath vlog where he really put parallels between Tesla stock and space stock, and it's super exciting because it feels in so many ways so similar. And he said in an interview that he's, you know, emotionally attached, or initially attached, I don't remember the exact word, but he said, you know, very much convinced about space, like he was on Tesla. So this gives me a huge you know, conviction rate as well, or add to my high conviction. So let's dive into the conclusion of today's video. So, in the conclusion, I want to make sure that you understand that we are still in the very early age, all right, of a company that is very in the beginnings of creating the first product. This reminds me a little bit like the Tesla company worked on the Model S prototype and launched it and everything. So it's a little bit more complicated because you are actually flying people, and minimum 6 of them, and some are celebrities and very wealthy people, on a rocket that you actually, you know, put on a spaceship and fly them very high, and it's a dangerous maneuver. It's a little bit different than an electric car, but if it works out, guys, if it works out, we have a short squeeze. We will have the mother of short squeezes, latest with the flight in April, in my personal opinion, you know, from a time wise perspective point, in April of 2021 of this year, because this is what Richard Branson said in an interview just a couple of weeks ago on CNN. He wants to be in space with Virgin Galactic in about 2 to 3 months, so this would be the time frame. I just look forward to. I bought some YOLO calls, as you know. I bought, you know, they are around now $46,000. This is money that I know I'm able to lose. If I lose it, I don't care. I just want to be part of the short squeeze if there is one, and this will be massive, guys. Okay, so I want to be with you on the same boat. I just want to experience the test flight. That's why I will be live. And let me know what you think about the coming test flight. What is your fears What is the opportunity? What is on your mind if you're thinking about the next test flight? I want to discuss it with you in the comments below. So make sure to type in your keyboard. And I see you tomorrow as I'm vlogging every single day. Subscribe, like, Twitter, Instagram, x10masterclass.com. Check it out and see you later.